Hey, what's up guys, I'm from Aravind Tech. In yesterday video, I showed you how to install VirtualBox and how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So if you didn't watch the video, go and check the video. So today in this video, I'm going to show you what are the things that you need to do when you install Kali Linux. Yes, it has some certain things that you need to do when you install Kali Linux for the first time. So if you're new here, I'm Aravind, this is Aravind Tech. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So first thing you want to do is you need to update your Kali Linux. As we installed the new version of the Kali Linux only, but still updating helps to run your device perfectly. So just type sudo apt update and type the password. And after completing that, just type sudo apt upgrade and do this both things. So after that, the main thing you want to do is changing the password. Yes, once you download the Kali Linux, the password and the username is Kali and Kali only. So everybody knows that. So for that, let's type passwd and hit enter. So it asks for your current password. Just give your current password, and it asks for a new password. So set any new password that you want, and again retype the password. So the password has been successfully updated. So now when you are logging it, or when you are going to access the root user, it will ask for the new password that you have been changed. So next thing you want to do here is installing Git. So Git will helps you to install many different tools from internet. So just like I did, type Git. So if you already have Git, means it will show the instructions and commands of the Git here. So if you not having Git, means just type pt install Git, and this thing will installs the Git. After that, you need Tor browser. For installing Tor, just type apt get install Tor browser -launcher and hit enter. So this command will helps you to install the Tor browser into your system. And another thing is, I always prefer to have different password for root. So for setting different password for root user, so for that you have to go into your root user. So look at here, I'm at root at Kali. So just type passwd and type root and hit enter. So it asks for a new password. So set a password and retype the password. So now you just set a different passwords for root and normal user. So once you are logging into your system, you can able to use the normal user password, and once you want to access the root user, you can able to use this different password. So I personally prefer this method, but you can go with the single password for both, and you can able to customize your Kali Linux on right clicking your desktop screen and click desktop settings. So here there is different wallpapers that are available for your Kali Linux. You can choose anything, and there is different options here, menu, and you can able to modify the icon sizes and which icon you want and which icon you don't want. So like that, many things. So that's a best video. So if you face any errors while updating or installing things, tell them in comments. I will help you to solve those errors. So that's all this video. Hope it's informative to you. Got questions, ask them in comments. I will play it for you. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay, guys, I will catch you tomorrow. Until then, signing off. I'm from Mr. Aravind.